Sorry, it's just people are.
You know what? I think that looks like a good hole.
I don't know if you guys can maybe try tuning up again or play on the beat and just do it right.
No! Let's stop fooling around and turn this band into a lean, mean, mom cheese revenge machine! Mom cheese!
So, I am currently living in a new area. I moved into a basement that I'm renting out for 6 months. And, yeah. This is about it. It's actually pretty nice. I have like a garage spot, which is kind of cool. Chicago, by the way, everything is insanely expensive. Really annoying. Very, very annoying. So in today's video, you're about to see the first drive of the Turbo Miata. Now here's the thing, it actually wasn't the first drive, it's technically the third. The first drive was around the neighborhood to make sure that there weren't any leaks and the car wouldn't explode. The second drive, I actually messed up the wastegate actuator. There's a little C-clip that holds it onto the turbo. I put that in wrong and it flew out, so the car actually wasn't making any boost. So I went to Home Depot, picked up another one, and that was that. I have a feeling that I put it on incorrectly. Because it wasn't really moving when I had it on.
Oh.
So I'm gonna say right now, I think that was the issue.
Gotcha. All right, well, let's see. We'll know the first time you like go part throttle, basically. All right, and you should give it a part throttle. Let's see if it is actually a little bit different. It's so different.
Oh my God, that is a way different.
Yeah. It was off from the get-go.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn.
Stupid
That must have
hard.
been off the entire time.
Yeah, no shit.
All right, guys, we are in the Miata. The wastegate is fixed. The fact that we could actually hear it spooling that quick with that like low a throttle means that that entire drive, that first drive that you guys didn't see, you weren't really missing much. Dude, it's like way more than what it was.
You can hear the diverter valve too.
Yeah.
Recirculation.
Holy Christ, dude.
Yeah.
Just the noise of it, like.
Yeah. Yeah. That's nothing.
My God.
You got to 1 PSI there. So.
Yeah. Dude, that's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fucking batshit.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
So yeah, see now it's actually spooling, just going up a hill. Yeah,
It
way
makes
different.
sense.
Dude, this is fucking crazy. Nice Z, what is that? Z1 or something? The BMW that looks like a shoe.
Yeah, Z1 or Z3, I think.
Yeah.
The little small guys.
Yeah.
Everything looks good still.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, so just because we're stuck behind cars, we still need like 2,000 to 5,000 like part loads, like spooling up and stuff like that. Because again, I don't think we were actually ever really spooling before. So.
Yeah. So my brother Will is with me doing the tuning. Really what we're doing is we're running auto tuner, and then if he sees anything that needs to be changed, any sort of outlier like that, he changes that. For the most part, it's auto tuning, and he's kind of the brain behind that. So the goal of this drive is to hit as many weird spots in the fuel map as possible to make those changes before, you know, maybe I hit those spots on a racetrack and the car doesn't know what to do and it explodes. So you'll see me doing like a lot of weird things like lugging the engine in like a high gear, things that you're not supposed to do. That's just what you have to do when you're doing like an auto tuner like this. It needs that experience. It needs to learn. I can do that stuff pretty easy. I mean, it's just like...
Yeah, exactly. There you go. It's the first time you got to 5 PSI.
Oh, okay. Holy dude.
Yep, it's pretty crazy. Same deal. The map is just it's pulling out fuel. So
Yeah,
it's a
yeah.
Good thing.
Okay.
It's looking good. It's gonna be good.
Dude, this is fucking.
Real good.
This is so cool. I haven't stopped smiling like the entire time. Yeah, putting that wastegate on made all the difference. This is fucking crazy. Dude, look at how packed that is.
Yeah, holy shit.
Should I give the kids like
What they want.
I should probably do it.
It's so good. You can, some of these points too, it might have like brake boosts as well to get some of these. Like,
Oh, yes.
That was looking really good so far. Again, we got most of the table like mapped out anyways last time.
Yeah, yeah.
At least below 2 psi. Yeah.
Some neighborhood.
Can you go into fourth right now?
Yep.
And then can you give it some? Let's try to get into some boost here at like low RPM like this. Yeah. Okay, that's good. So we'll need all those points eventually.
Okay.
Those were we haven't been able to hit those low load points.
Yeah.
Yet, so.
Well, that's good. I can do those.
Yeah, exactly. And you can actually. Yeah, there we go. And if you want to, you can use the brakes a little bit. I don't know how comfortable you're brake boosting.
Yeah. All right. Do you want me to do like a somewhat
Yeah.
close to watt, not watt?
Close to what?
Okay.
And, yeah, if I say lift. Sweet. Yeah, it's gonna go pretty
Dude.
good. Alright. We finally got to like 7 or so
Yeah.
there, so we got
I can do some more of
a little
those
more.
because now we're actually hitting good boost.
Yeah. Yeah, it literally hasn't. Look at the cell change. It's just nothing.
Nice. And it's blasting music.
Yeah. Always do.
Yeah. All right, I'll do another one of those second gears.
Good. There we go. Yeah, that's what we need. We need to go to full speed like that. That's
Yeah.
good. Still pretty good. Yeah, it's pulling out a lot of fuel. It's to be expected.
Dude, just wait till this thing's like at Waterford.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Anything you want me to do? We got a lot of space now.
No, keep doing what you're doing. It's good. And just like very like speed RPM. Just do some crazy stuff. Like the only thing we don't want is just normal driving, like what we've been doing.
Right.
That we got enough of that. So.
Dude, I'm gonna be doing that like all the time now. That is
It's just the
absolutely
best noise.
insane.
It's the best noise there is.
Yeah. Like, this is what I want out of every single car.
I know. It's awesome. It's looking great. How much fuel have we burned?
Not much.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna be behind that.
God damn it. It's like struggling to like accelerate to 30 miles per hour. Dude, look at this fucking schmuck.
I could pass him.
Nah, dude, I feel like that's a man of a road rage.
Probably.
If any man has issues, it's him.
Yeah.
It does do
Oh, there we
fairly
go.
well for some things. Oh, nice.
Should I give him a little flyby?
Yeah, come on. Man of prior rage.
Mango tear? Would it reverse tear?
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Oh my gosh, dude, this is amazing.
Have you been at Y yet?
No, I haven't.
Alright. Yeah, so if you want, let's start out in sections. So we'll do small sections. So do from like 3,000 to 4,500 third gear.
Okay.
We should be ready for actual watt. And we'll map some of that stuff out. Same deal if I say lift, just lift.
Yep. I'll go through here first.
Yep. And we'll do it in sections. So we'll do like 2,000 RPM sections,
Yeah.
and then we'll put it all together.
All right.
Yep.
There we go.
Good to go when you are.
I got one guy behind me, but all right. So you ready?
Yep.
It's one.
That's good. Just control solid.
Should I give it another watt?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good so far.
Nice. Okay, I can do another watt if you want.
Sure.
Should I go like all the way, kind of?
Nah, I wouldn't go all the way just yet.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Dude, this thing feels pretty fast.
Yeah. I know, when we're not doing like when we're going gear from gear to gear,
It's gonna be nuts.
On the downhill portion, you should give it a little of the beans and see if the Hellcat tries to play it.
I can do that. Holy shit, dude, that's 80.
Yeah, it's a real car now.
Oh my god. Alright, I'll try to get it some load up.
Yeah.
Dude, it's actually accelerating. Holy fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, it's looking great.
Yeah, dude, I might need to upgrade the brakes, honestly. It's like interesting too because you kind of expect this out of like Jeff's car, like with like steering wheel, seats, all that like interior stuff.
Right.
It's rattly. But like with this, it's just literally a stock
That's
Miata. But like literally
good,
besides the shifter, it is stock inside.
Right.
So it's hard to actually like notice that it's
No, and
forced induction.
Yeah, and it's pretty like livable. I mean,
Yeah.
we
got AC, baby.
Yeah. It's
Kept it.
like a perfect Woodward car now.
So it was finally time to log an actual full throttle, full gear to redline. So for those of you who don't understand what logging a car means, you're essentially analyzing every single aspect of a car during a specific time. In this case, it's full throttle all the way through an entire gear.
All right.
You want to do second gear?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I'm ready.
All right. So you said 2,000 to,
2,000 to basically
rev limiter.
max, yep.
Yeah. Okay. All right, this is the first watt test, watt pull, I guess. Second gear. Okay, 2,000. All right, 3, 2. Thank you. Should I give it a little yeet?
Again, wrong.
Oh my god, dude. Fucking crazy.
Yeah.
We also figured out that the car made around 185 wheel horsepower, and that's with no boost control at all. I think the wastegate was at like 7 psi. So the car has a lot more in it, and in the next video or so, you're gonna see me install a manual boost controller, turn that up, and it starts to make a lot more power. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the car run and hearing what it sounds like. It sounds absolutely insane. I need to get like a really good audio setup going. That'll be in a couple videos for you guys. I've already heard it. It's an absolute blast to drive already, and it just keeps getting better from there. One day it'll be around 230, 240 wheel horsepower. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day, good night, whatever it is. See you guys.